Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Students, in previous video we completed 10 questions of exercise 5e of fraction. Today we will start from question number 11. In question number 11, yes, in a school, 1/16 of the students were absent on a certain day. If 750 students were present on that day, find the total number of students in the school. Yes. For this, consider the total number of the student to be whole portion or 1. Okay, total students be 1. Students were absent 1/16 of the student and present student. We will find if we will subtract this fraction from whole. Yes, if we will subtract this fraction of absent student from whole, and whole fraction is 1. Yes, here 1 minus 1/16, then we are getting 16 minus 1/16, 15/16. Yes, this is the fraction for present student. 15/16 of total student is 750. These are the number of the students those were present. Yes, and the fraction form is 15/16. Yes, 15/16 of whole student means that is 1. Yes, student, we will divide this 50. We will divide this 750 by 15/16 to get the total number of the students. On dividation, yes, 750 divided by 15/16. Yes, then we will multiply this 750 by reciprocal of 15/16, that is 16/15. Yes, this 750 is divisible by 15 50 times. 50 multiplied by 60, 800. This is the total number of the students. Come to the next one, that is question number 12. Question number 12 is, it takes 1/3/4 meter of cloth to make a pair of trousers. If the cloth needed to make 10 pairs of trousers is cut out of a 20 meter length of cloth, what length of cloth will be left? Cloth need to make a pair of trousers, 1/3/4 meter, and the improper form is 7/4 meter. This is the information about a pair of trousers. Now cloth need to make 10 pairs of trousers. For this student, we will multiply this 10 by 7/4. Okay, on multiplying this we are getting here 35/2 meter. This is the required cloth for 10 pairs of trousers. Left cloth, yes, total cloth is 20 meter and the needed for 10 pairs of trousers 35/2. If we will subtract this from 20 meter, then we will get the left cloth. Yes, LCM is 2. Yes, 2 multiplied by 20, 40 meter minus 35. In numerator we are getting 5, in denominator 2, 5/2 meter. This is left, and the mixed form is 2 whole 1/2 meter. Question number 13 is here. Mr. Menon had 2,50,000. He gave 1/3 of it to his son. 1 upon 5 of it to his daughter and the rest to his wife. The portion of his money did his wife get, and how much did she get? Mr. Menon had 2,25,000 rupees. He gave to his son 1 of 3 of his money. Yes, 1 upon 3 of 2,25,000, that is 75,000. Yes. He gave to his daughter 1 upon 5 of his money. 1 upon 5 multiplied by 2,25,000. Yes, it is going 45,000 times. Yes, he gave to his daughter 45,000 and to his son 75,000. Now we will find the left money. Yes, rest money we will calculate. Yes, for this student we have to subtract the sum of money to give his daughter and son. We will add this and subtract the sum from 2,25,000. Yes, this is the amount that he gave to his son and this amount that he gave to his daughter, and the sum is 1,20,000. On subtraction we are getting 1,05,000. This is the rest money, and this rest money he gave to his wife, and the fraction also we have to find. For this the required portion will be, for this student, the money which he gave to his wife. Yes, we will write this in numerator, and the total money we will write in denominator to find out the required fraction. Yes, his wife get 1,05,000 and the total money is 2,50,000. Yes, 30 we can cancel by this, and 105 is divisible by 15 7 times, and 225, this is divisible by 15 times, and the required fraction is 7 upon 15. An examination was held in 2 parts. Of the 360 examinees, 3 upon 10 appeared in only the first part, and 2 upon 15 appeared in only the second part. The rest appeared in both the parts. Find the number of examinees who appeared in both the parts. Means total examinees are here 360. Total examinees 360 appeared in the first part, 3 upon 10 of total. 3 upon 10 of 630. Yes, total examinees 630. Yes, 0 cancel by this 0. 3 multiplied by 63, 189. Appeared in the second part, 2 upon 15 of total examinees. 2 upon 15 multiplied by 630. Yes, this is going 15 4 60 and 15 2 30, 42 times. 2 multiplied by 42, 84. And we have to find out the rest examinees. For this we will subtract the sum of examinees, those appeared in both, those appeared in first and second separately. These are 189 and 84. Sum is 279. On subtraction we are getting 357. These examinees appeared in both parts. Yes, required examinees are 357. These appeared in both parts. Question number 15. Kamal reads 1 upon 3 of a book on the first day and 1 upon 4 of the remaining portion on the second day. What portion of the book does Kamal read in 2 days? If 200 pages are left to be read, find the total number of pages in the book. Consider the total number of pages to be the whole portion or 1. Yes, total number of the pages. Kamal reads 1 upon 3 of a book. Yes, total portion is 1. Remaining portion, he reads 1 upon 3 of a book. And remaining portion, we will subtract this from 1. Then we are getting 2 upon 3. Yes. And he reads on second day. He reads on second day 1 upon 4 of remaining. Yes. Here remaining fraction is 2 upon 3 and he reads on second day 1 upon 4 of remaining. 1 upon 4, replace this off by multiply 2 upon 3. 4 and 2 both are common factors of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 3, 1 upon 6. Now the left portion is, yes, to find out the left we will subtract this from 1, that he read this on first day and this one on second day. Yes, 1 minus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. Yes, LCM will be 6 and then in numerator we are getting 6 minus 2 minus 1. Minus minus plus 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 upon 6. 6 minus 3, 3. And in denominator 6. 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. This is the left portion. This thing is given. Left pages are 200. It means it will be equal to the left portion. 1 upon 2 of a book is equal to 200 pages. Now to find out the total pages of the book, a book is equal to, yes, we will take this in multiplication. 200 multiplied by 2, 400 pages. Yes, a book has 200 pages. This is the required number of the pages. Yes, student, do the practice of all these sums up to next video. Thank you.